Okay, guys, this is going to be my first YouTube tutorial. I'm going to do something based upon this Skype airplane shirt. You can see it. I just got it at Hot Topic. It was on sale. It was amazing. Love it. I've already primed my eyes and my foundation and whatnot. You can do that the way you like to. So I'm gonna go ahead, take my eyeshadow brush. I got this from Elf Cosmetics. And I'm gonna take this blue. On my 120 palette, so I need this one. Third one, top row. I'm gonna mix it with the first one.
Football definitely comes out before he hits the ground. There it is, sitting on the ground. Look at it right in there. It sits there, and I thought, oh, nobody picks it up. We're not going to have it. But Westbrook sees it, picks it up, and then it will be their ball, even if the whistle. Under again to play. The runner fumbled the ball prior to his knee being down. And there was a clear recovery by Washington.
Do the same on the other side.
The only question was going to be, Jim, were we going to have a replay where we could absolutely determine who picked that football up and we got it? Even though the whistle does blow the play dead, it doesn't matter. And there it is again down there. It just sits there.
Like that.
And I thought, oh, we're not going to have this. Yep, we got it. You knew that Lance Barrow and Mike Arnold would have that
And
replay.
take that same brush.
Westbrook, had anybody seen it on the field, he would have been gone for a touchdown. But they have to take it from the point of the recovery now.
A little bit of this neon kind of green.
Takes over. And it's 0-10. Mason is the running back.
Kind of put that on the outer corner.
That's Mason banging bodies, pads. We got a flag down. Picked up about 9. Holding 63.
Kind of blend that into the blue as well.
This game was tied 17 at halftime, and when you hear the voice of Jason Campbell, who had a huge first half here, and Jason is Jim and Phil up here in the booth. Good, man. You had to feel pretty good about the way that first half unfolded.
Yeah, we came out, we had some fun. We tried to execute a lot of different areas of the field. I just wish we had that bomb, that one shot to Santana.
So I guess this is kind of like a blue-green kind of look.
Team can keep doing because those are plays that can game-changer plays that can help us in the season. So I was excited to get out here and play for almost 3 full quarters and get our feet.
And then I'm gonna take my
So he's excited about some of the things we did.
fluffy brush.
Jason, really good game by you. You threw the ball very well.
Take some more of that blue
Jim Zorn, I asked him some pointed questions the other day.
and go back over what you've
Can you tailor your offense to Jason Campbell? And he said,
throughout the whole
absolutely.
process.
We did it. We're going to throw the football down the field more. You showed that tonight.
Yeah, that's something we've done the last 2 weeks. Last week we took a
Clean
couple
it
shots.
off.
Yeah, this week we did the same.
And then make sure you
We
blend.
got to continue to keep doing that. That's all about helping us
Blend
make
is
some
good.
plays. And score points in this league, you can't just dink and dunk all the way down the field. You got to be able to put some thought, put some balls down the field, and come up with some big plays. And Cooley did a great catch, and Cooley had a great catch and run down the sideline. And you see how guys, the play wasn't over. They kept running, got blockers in front of them, and almost scored. So it's a team effort.
Marcus Mason, a little shaken up. Jason, stay with us here. First and 15.
Sorry, my lighting is horrible, but I'm trying.
Jason, let me just tell you this. We talked a little bit about tonight. I know you're tired
And then
of the offseason, the fact that there was little indecision, what they wanted to do, and we talked to you about it on Wednesday.
I'm gonna take this kind of, it's kind of an off-white. It's the third one on the top row with the lights and such. Just highlight above your brow. Like that.
A lot of things went wrong for us, but
it's a white and it's kind of got a blue shimmer to it. I don't know. It's so pretty. I don't know if you can tell. But yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna take a little bit of that. Usually in the cap is plenty. I'm gonna kind of go the inner corner with that color. Then I'm gonna take my eyeliner pencil, which is Rimmel Specialized. I don't know. I got it with my mascara. It was like a twofer. I'm just gonna go ahead and do the rims of my eyes.
Well, I think he said it all. They got in rhythm. They played to his strengths. You can see them designing plays that fit his talents. That's awesome. Shows mobility. And I know, it's funny, he's a young quarterback and he's been improving every year, but everything is in doubt.
And then I'm gonna go and do the tops.
He's handled it very well. Just like he said, be quiet, work hard. Anthony Aldridge with another good piece of running here. And maybe the other thing that kind of caught my eye a little bit tonight, they forced some of these young receivers out there. They made some plays, but now carry that over into practice and keep moving forward. But I get the sense that the Washington Redskins are a determined team. There is a good
I'm gonna
feeling
put
when you're around them.
some mascara. I use
And of course, how can it not be
Maybelline's Intense XXL, which I really like this. I usually do use Rimmel's Glam Eyes, which is really, really low. I'm just not partial to the brush, and I really like this conditioner, primer, feel, whatever. So we're just putting this on the lashes like so. Sorry. That's where I always screw up, is when I put my mascara on and it goes everywhere. It's horrible. I hate it. But anyway, now I'm gonna take my bronzer brush, which is just an angled brush, and I'm using Estee Lauder's All Day Natural Cheek Color in Tawny.